What? Huh? What the? No, 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 no. What the heck is this? What the? What the? Okay, just a second. Just calm down. Yeah, nah, yeah. It's a good thing I got a mid tower case. Nice little feature. All mid tower cases on the inside side panel have a active backup record. It writes it to one side, but in order to recover, very simply, you just flip over the backup record, put it in, and your system recovery should happen very quickly. As you see, almost instantly. Man, fantastic. I'm glad I went with this case. Just another cool feature for us PC people. Pretty cool, huh?